Okay, so I'm on a Mac and I'm going to try and open the avatar, FBX avatar into Clo right now. So it's named Kai FBX. This is what we exported from Blender. Click, drag, and drop it into Clo. Let me try it one more time. Dun, 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 dun. Oops, what's going on with Clo? Try this again. There it goes. No saving the file. Okay, so open avatar. I'm just going to do auto scale. That's really it. I'll just say okay. Okay, so when it opens in my computer, there's no texture files or normal maps. I'm on a Mac. One of my students was using a PC and the texture files and normal maps automatically opened, which is awesome, but not for me. So this took a minute to figure out. So if it's happening to you, I'm guessing you're also on a Mac like me. So there was a folder that did export with the FBX file from Blender and has all the textures in it. And it's kind of overwhelming, honestly. You really have to figure out what they all are. So I went through and I figured, okay, this is the eyeball. This guy is a teeny little reflection in his eye. What else do we have here? This is the texture for his face. This is the normal map for his face. This is the eye socket, the texture map for the eye socket. We have the eyebrow. We also have the eyelid. So I went through them and labeled them with the name because when it was saved, it was only saved by the numbers. And I just added, oh, this is the eyelid. Here's our body. Great, and his outfit. Here's the normal map for the body. We have a shoe texture. We have a back of hair texture. We have a top of hair texture. I wasn't sure what this is, but I think it's a hair shine. I'll find out in a sec. This, what is that? It's not much. I Googled it, and it says MatCap. That's what became saved. So it's supposed to be like a method of light expression that has pre-rendered images to simulate lighting. So it's for a material capture. I think because mine doesn't have a material, that's why it's actually just a teeny random little square. So I think it's nothing and I'm gonna ignore it. This is a map for the face and I actually haven't figured out which map because it's not a normal map. I don't think it's a texture map. Texture map for the back of the hair, texture map for the top of the hairs next to it. Again, another shader thing, that's another black square, so I think it's just obsolete, like I don't have it. It wasn't created in Blender. And then here's the shader. I don't know what this is for. That's also maybe obsolete because it's so small. So I think those are just going to be throwaways. Okay, and then this is just a reference of like what it should look like. So maybe that's handy having them here. Okay, so let's go back to Clo and figure this out. So I'm going to click the avatar. Thing with Clo, the property editor is going to change. So every time you select something different. So right now I have the body selected. And let's see here. Dun, 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 dun. Category avatar, yes. What else do we have here? Texture, that's what we want. So click that. And let's find the texture for the body. There it is. I named it body. Okay, cool. Now, since we're here, I might as well add the normal map, which is right underneath it. Okay. And then I don't believe there is a displacement map or other maps or opacity map or anything like that. So I think that's it. So I think I just got to go in and do this everything. So now I clicked on his face. Okay. Let's go back to the texture. I wish I could make this taller, but I can't. Okay, texture for his face. Might as well just do the normal map. Let's see if I can make this bigger. I'll get rid of that little, oh, this box stuck here. I don't know how to get rid of that now, do I? X. Okay, there it goes. Okay, so face, did that work? Uh-oh, no. I clicked his eyebrows and not his face, so it didn't work. So let's try it again. Face, open. Let's grab that normal map. Cool. Let's zoom in. Okay, looks like I tried to put the face on where the eyebrows should go. So I'm going to click that. I'm going to change it so it's not the face anymore. And let's find our eyebrow. There we go. Open. That's better. Let's do the eyelids. Texture. Oh, eyelids. There we go. No normal map for them. Open. I'm going to click right here, and I guess that'll be the eyeball. There we go. Okay. Or that's the eye socket, maybe not the eyeball. Let's try this. Texture, I think that's the eyeball now. There's my eyeball. And then that little circle of shimmer. Okay, the sparkle in his eye. Hey, is that good? Yeah, I think that's it. What else is going on here? Is that how we like it? Okay, now for the hair. Texture. I think this is I'm just gonna do the back of the hair. And I don't think there was a normal map for that. I'm gonna click the top. Oh, same one. Let me try clicking something else. Oh dear. Let me zoom in here. There we go. Let's try this. Click. Let's do the top of the hair for that. Is that good? Another thing I should tell you guys is that I am on quality render. You don't really see much when you're not on quality render. I don't think I quite have it though. Something's kind of funky. So maybe this one. Maybe we'll try hair top. Oh yeah, that's better. Okay. I think we're good. What else did we need? Here, let's see. Oh, the shoes. Let's click here. Texture. So I did the normal maps for those two. Oh, the hair has a normal map as well. I should probably go back and add those. The shader was nothing. Okay, I'm going to ignore that. But anyways, here's the shoe. Let's do that. Okay, great. Oh, remember that shine spot? Let's go back to the hair. Okay, let's add the normal map of the hair top. Okay. There we go. And let's see here. Let's see if that's the hair. Oh, that's also the same one. I might have the wrong thing selected. I think I'm having trouble selecting my hair. This is my challenge. Well, okay. I guess I can leave it for now. Anyways, oh, I wanted to go and see if I could find that little shine spot. Maybe I ignore the shine spot. I don't know. Oh, what about this? What is this? Try this. What if I change it to the back of hair? And then do you for the normal map. Back of hair. I guess I'm just worried about this little hair shine spot. If it's even a hair shine spot, maybe it's not. That was one I wasn't very sure about. Okay, this is looking better. So I think I'm pretty good. Just the only ones I didn't figure out, I didn't use this. Don't know if I need to or not. And I did not use this guy, I think nothing. I think these are just placeholders, these little squares. And then the other thing I didn't use, which I'm a little worried about, is this guy. I wonder where that was supposed to go. I kind of feel like it was supposed to go on the hair top because they're both the same size. I just don't know where I can select it. Let me try this again. Here's the hair top. Maybe it's just another map. I think it's displacement. I don't know. Let me try. I don't know if that made a difference or not. So, okay, well, anyways, I have the guy open up in Clo. That was my goal. I do have my quality render on as well. It looks very odd without that on. And that is success. So let's move on with the next stage of this project, which is to dress him.